am Vithal Koteshwar Rao, representing All India IDBI Officers Association as General Secretary. This is an internal communication addressed to members of the association, and this message is particularly with respect to participation in the strike call given by UFBU on March 15th and 16th, 2021. Comrades, a circular has been issued by the association on 19th February 2021, which is available on the mobile app of the association. In the circular, we have clearly mentioned the attacks being continued by the central government on banking sector in general and particularly IDBI Bank. As announced in February 2020, central government is going ahead for total exit from IDBI Bank, which never happened in the history of Indian banking history. And to that extent, in February 2021 budget, government has placed amendments to the Industrial Development Transfer and Undertaking Repeal Act 2003. The character of development financial institution has been deleted, and till now the banking license what has been exempted, that has been granted default. That means all the arrangements are being made by the central government for their total exit from IDBI Bank by selling their stake to private players. Comrades, now we all need to understand and educate each one of us to participate in the strike call given by United Forum of Bank Unions Against Privatization on March 15th and 16th, 2021. Moreover, many members are having doubts whether this strike call is going to have any results with respect to stopping privatization of public sector banks, either IDBI Bank or other nationalized banks as announced in February 2021 budget. Please go through the circular issued on 19th February 2021, where it has already been mentioned. In 2016, central government has amended EPF Act, Employees Provident Fund Act, with respect to withdrawal rules, which have become detrimental to the subscribers, that is small workers in private sector organizations. So a strong protest has been made by garment workers in private sector in Bangalore, and due to that strong protest, immediately central government has withdrawn the proposed amendments to EPF Act with respect to withdrawal rules. And if you come to 2017, FRDI bill has been introduced by central government, wherein it was mentioned that there is a clause, bail-in, where the depositors' money can be utilized for resolution of the bank if the bank is in trouble. So this clause has become detrimental to the hard-earned money of the depositors, and strong protest has been made against such proposals, and finally central government has withdrawn the proposed FRDI bill. Hence, it is very clear that we need to oppose and show our protest against the proposed privatization of public sector banks, government banks including IDBI Bank. Comrades, last month you might have come across a news that in Google company in USA, around 200 employees who are software engineers have formed one employees union demanding respect to the employment. So it is very clear, unity alone can save all of us. And in an interview given by Honorable Finance Minister very recently about privatization of public sector banks, it was mentioned that to protect the interest of the employees working in public sector banks which are going to be privatized, it was mentioned, rather understood, that employees will be given an option to get transferred from the public sector bank which is going to be privatized to another public sector bank. So I am receiving many queries whether this option is available to the officers of IDBI Bank also or not. So my answer to this question is, it depends on the participation levels in the strike call given by UFBU on March 15th and 16th, 2021 by IDBI Bank officers. Comrades, the same demand has been raised by us in 2016 onwards. It was also mentioned in the strike notice given by the association in March 2019. Hence, each and every member of the association has to participate in these 2 days strike call with conviction and without exception. Thank you, comrades.